Hi everyone, this is Dale. I'm going to show you what I got. The first thing I saw when I got into the store was a rack of pairs of socks. I don't know why they had socks there, but these were so cute, so I grabbed a pair, and it has my favorite things on them, flowers, and my favorite colors, pink and lavender and green. My favorite colors. I thought they were so cute. Love that. And actually I scoured the whole rack and I found another pair, so I got two pairs. And then I headed down to the yarn, and I came across two of these, I don't know how you, I never did learn how to pronounce this. Is it Karen or Caron? I don't know, but I found two of these jumbo acrylic yarns. There is a pink and a lavender and two shades of green. And I just love those colors. I don't know if you could see it really well. It's getting dark, but I was outside, but I thought I'd try to make a video. So I found those two, and I was excited to see these. And so then I went down. This was in the main aisle, and then I went down, went through the yarn aisles. I found two more of the exact same yarn. So altogether I got four, and they're not the same dye lots, but I couldn't tell them apart, and it's variegated, and so I don't think it'll make a big deal. So that is what I got. I wanted to show you this. This is one of those, I don't know if you can see it, it's kind of big. I think they're called a yarn caddy or sewing basket or sewing caddy. This was my mother's, and I've had it for a number of years now, but I never used it because it was, you know, maybe it's 50 years old, I'm not sure, you know, and so it's never been washed, and so I didn't want to use it because it's kind of dirty. Well, yeah, I could feel it. But I finally decided I'm just gonna try to get it prettied up. So you can't take off this fabric bag because the rods or dowels or whatever you call them, they slide into the fabric bag, and then they're glued into the frame, and so you can't take it off to clean it. So I just closed the bag up because it's collapsible. Let's see. There we go. I just closed it up, and I just put it in the tub and washed it with a little laundry soap, and the water started changing color. I thought, oh boy, I'm gonna wreck the wood. I think it was the wood stain coming out. And so I washed it, rinsed it, and then I set it outside. It was a hot day today, so I set it on the hot side of the house, and it dried really fast, and which I was glad, but the wood was definitely faded and not looking so good. But I brought it in, and I used that Old English furniture oil on the wood, and it came back and darkened up and really nice. So I'm happy with the way it came out, and now it's all clean. I put some sewing oil in the hinges. I don't know if that helped at all, but I don't know. I didn't want things to get rusty, and it has these gold looking chains on either side. I don't know if you can see that. I just hit myself. So I put sewing oil on those. I don't know. I didn't know if I was going to get it all rusty, and maybe that would help. So anyway, so it's all clean and looking all good, and it reminds me of my mother, so I am looking forward to using it, putting my projects in and putting my yarn in there when I'm working on a project and without the balls of yarn rolling all over the place. And it's got a nice lining in it with 2 good sized pockets. And so anyway, so that was my recent project that I'm happy I finally got that done. And so other than that, I don't really have much more to report, but I just wanted to check in and make a video because it's been a while. So anyway, thanks for watching, and may God bless you all, and bye for now.